From Los Angeles, TraderInsight.com presents Dr. Adrian Manz in the war room and at the helm with today's look at stocks and sectors on the radar.
For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manz, and this is Stocks and Sectors on the Radar for Monday, April 27th, 2009. On Friday, Dow Jones Industrials up 119 points to close at 8076.29. We had 2,335 stocks advance, 707 decline, and NYSE total volume at 1.73 billion shares. It was the results of the stress tests in the banks, in the financials, that came to the rescue on Friday. The rest of the market actually didn't look that great, but came out and said that without naming the names of the banks, that we had a significant number that were passing. That was good news for the indices. That was very good news for the S&P 500, which was up 1431 on the session to close at 866.23. Also gave a lift to the NASDAQ. NASDAQ 100 up 28.87 to close at 1373.28, and the NASDAQ Comp up 42.08 to close at 1694.29. We had two stocks on the radar for Friday. We had one that was a stop loss for us, and we had one that went to the profit target. Let's have a quick look at them both and then talk about six stocks that I'm going to be watching on Monday. First stock we had, fastball expansion of range, expansion of volume. This was Applied Industrial Technologies Incorporated, ticker symbol AIT. This one looks all right on a daily chart as we see here. Sort of a high-level backdoor slider, but in reality that trade on Friday was not so good. AIT triggered basically right off the open. We had a move immediately up and through that 2210, 2212 area. We see that it immediately then reversed, did not go 10 cents in our favor before going 10 cents against us, so stopped us out for a 10-cent loss, and then came back in, reversed after about 2 hours of trading, went up through the entry price, got 50% to the target, turned around and stopped us out for break even. So no big loss on this one, just nothing very satisfying happening over the course of the day. And then we also had, of course, Bemis, and that was a pretty good trade. So let's have a look at that one. Bemis Incorporated, ticker symbol BMS. This one again, fastball expansion of range, expansion of volume. We had a 2370 entry, a 2411 initial target, nice tight target on that. We did manage to pull that out of the market. Let's have a look at the intraday 5-minute chart and see what happened. So nicer story on this one than what happened on AIT. Certainly, we had an open here, did not trigger us in. Flip back out again in the about the 10-minute area of trading. We had an entry, and then the stock traded smoothly all the way up to the profit target. No reason to ever doubt what this stock was going to do on the way up here. Well, I guess we always doubt what's happening, right? Everybody's on pins and needles when they enter these things, but nice trade. Certainly not a super exciting trade, but it did what we needed it to do. Now we're going to have a look at six stocks that I'm watching for Monday. First one on the list, American Express. This is ticker symbol AXP. This is a line drive move. We're going to look for a continuation on trade above $25.71 with an initial target up around $26.10. Just a nice, tight scalp kind of a trade on American Express. Next one going to be Canadian Natural Resources Limited. This is in oil and gas. Ticker symbol is CNQ. This is an infield fly. I'm looking for a reversal move lower here. Trade below $48.70 per share. Going to have me interested in a short side entry with an initial target down around $48.08. Next one on the list is in the insurance. So this is arguably also a financial in line with American Express, but it's actually an insurance. It's Delphi Financial Group Incorporated, ticker symbol DFG. This is a line drive setup, trade above $20.60. Going to have me interested in a long side entry with an initial profit target up around $21.04. Next one is in the chemicals. This is Eastman Chemical Company, ticker symbol EMN. This is a line drive setup. We are looking for an entry above $40.55. If Julie and I get an entry at that level, we're going to be looking for an initial target up around $41.05. Meredith Corp. This is in media, ticker symbol MDP. This is a fastball expansion of range, expansion of volume, trade above $21.50 a share. Going to have us interested in a long side entry with an initial target up around probably $21.82. And finally, in machinery, I've got Parker Hannifin, ticker symbol PH. This is also an infield fly setup, so I'm looking for a short side reversal on this one. This is a A pretty good looking infield fly, with the exception of the fact that that gap on Friday really wasn't that big. I'm going to look for a 43.45 tick on the short side with an initial profit target down around 43.08. Once again, if you guys enjoy these videos every night, head over to traderinsight.com, check out Tom and Corvia's trading video, check out Dave Landry's trading video, and check out Art Collins' trading video, and certainly have a look at the nightly recap that Julie does. That's a very good place to get a sort of an inside look at how we trade these things. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. Use protective stops on every trade and have a great trading day on Monday.